What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at XRP, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically in today's video, we are going to be talking about the countdown specifically that we've been mentioning in the past couple of videos here on the channel. As you guys know, today is pretty much the day that we have been referring to. So I do want to jump into the specifics, discussing what it is that we are looking for, the key reasons that we did this countdown in the first place, as we are starting to see some pretty incredible things happening. As you guys know, Bitcoin is retesting all-time highs once again today. That is huge. Otherwise, if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more, definitely make sure to watch the video to the end. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button as it does help the YouTube algorithm. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. Alright guys, before we jump into the video, I just want to mention that we are still doing our $200 $200 giveaway. It's for Tether USDT. Super easy to get it. It's literally in your BitYard. I'm just going to transfer it over to you. Super simple, super easy. All you have to do is literally click the link in the description down below. It'll bring you to the website, and all you got to do is enter. Completely free. You can enter, I think there's 8 different ways to enter into the giveaway, which is extremely useful. 8 different ways, and then I have a bonus that you can add in every single day to increase your odds. So definitely make sure to check it out. There are a little over 2 weeks left right now, 15 days with over 880 entries. So definitely make sure that you're in it, because you got to be in it to win it. Otherwise, jumping into today's video, you can see right now, as a quick refresh of the current coin market cap, markets are doing some pretty incredible things, guys. Today is the day that I've been referring to. We're going to have to switch some things up, because I feel like a lot of you guys were anticipating this massive explosion, and I want to reference that that is still a huge possibility. Maybe not for today. If it is, it might be a little bit later in today, but we're really focusing in right now on Bitcoin, seeing how Bitcoin will influence these other cryptocurrencies. So right now, Bitcoin is only up 2.7%, but notice where the price is. 19,867. That's what I want to refer to, 19,867. You can see it right here. You can see that we are literally at the top. This is huge for XRP. This is huge for these other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin retesting all-time highs again is a huge moment for the market. This is now the 3rd time we've been at this level before. Granted, now the fact that we're retesting this gives us a few key indicators. As discussed yesterday and the past couple of videos, we need to see if today's candle closes above this resistance. If we can close above this price ceiling, and we close above 19.7, and we close closer to $20,000 on Bitcoin, we are going to be seeing a big breakout to the upside. We're going to see a huge rush, as people are talking about $20,000 on Bitcoin. A lot of people are going to be buying in. They're going to think it's not a bubble anymore, and we're going to see a massive run to the upside, and we may not experience a correction to the downside. That's something you guys have to consider. And how is that going to influence these other cryptocurrencies? Well, if we see Bitcoin explode up, people are going to get a lot more interested in not just Bitcoin. They're going to look at XRP. They're going to look at Litecoin. They're going to look at Ethereum. Most people that really don't have a general understanding of the market are going to look at this coin, the coin market cap. They're going to see, okay, Bitcoin's $20,000. That's too expensive, but XRP is trading at number 3. And it's only 45 cents, I'm going to throw in money into XRP. Why? Because there's a good chance it could shoot up and catch up to Bitcoin's price. That's people's thinking. Why? Because I live with it. I work with it. I talk to people about it. That's what they explain. Why don't I invest in XRP? Because we can see this skyrocket. They don't understand the difference between the price and the circulating supply of the coin. They just think, oh, it's so cheap, I'm going to buy into it. That's how they react. They react on impulse. They don't have much logic or reasoning behind it. So we have to consider that as an option for FOMO to take over as well. So with Bitcoin hitting this all-time high, where does that leave us? Well, by the end of this, ascending triangle, it closes right around the 22nd, I would say, which gives us about 6 days to 5 days. Granted, we're probably going to see a big surge in price a little bit before the point of, of correction, or the point where we cross over. So with this comes consolidation. Are we today going to see a massive break above here, because we're so close now after this consolidation? Are we going to see a bullish break to the upside, break above 20,000, explode in price? Or is the market going to consolidate? Is it going to correct? And are we going to pull back down to $18,000? Let's see how today's candle closes. If we close below resistance, good chance we're going to correct lower. And if we break below this uptrend that we have on the coin, there's a good chance we're going to short this all the way down to about $15,000 fairly quickly. So you definitely have to consider that as an option too. So anticipate correction or anticipate a bullish breakout. How will that influence these other cryptocurrencies? Well, I have Bityard pulled up here. You can see on the Bityard chart, we're literally retesting the bottom support. XRP does not want to go any lower, is what it appears to be like. You can see we have this beautiful uptrend here. We have our descending fractal right here. As we retest bottom support, we're correcting off of this as we look at the daily coin right now. And there's a good chance this is going to continue to break bullish if the market allows itself. So today there is a ton riding on today's candle. Are we going to see the market consolidate out? Are we going to see Bitcoin finally break through all-time highs, which is incredible? And is that going to influence these other cryptocurrencies to explode up in price too? So I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to buy in long. I'm getting ready to sell short. Literally, it's as easy as just watching the market, seeing whether or not we're going to be buying in above this $20,000 market right here. Or I would say 20,000. If we break through the 20,000, we're buying in long. Vice versa, if we break below $19,000, we're buying in for a short. Very easy to do, very easy to, make that happen. You just have to have, Bityard. I did link Bityard in the description down below. You literally just type in the amount you want to leverage. Obviously, it's going to disappear when I change the leverage amount. But you can see I could do 25 with a $2,000 leverage. That gives me $109,000, XRP token. That's equivalent to $50,000. 25 times 20, I believe, is 50,000. Let's do that real quick. 25 times 20 is 500. Yeah, so I believe it's that much. So it's around 50,000. And you can see by leverage trading this, you're using a lot more buying power, a lot more margin. And that within itself opens some huge doors to capitalizing off of a big short play or a big reversal. So we do have to pay very, close attention to these movements. Lastly, looking at these other cryptocurrencies, you can see we're pretty much just consolidating out. Litecoin and Ethereum are consolidating out. There's a little bit more room as we have yet to retest the top resistance at 620 on Ethereum, but we are getting very close. The markets don't look like they want to dump yet. They really don't. They're fairly undervalued here. Bitcoin is showing signs of what could be a bullish cross on the MACD, which would immediately shoot the price of cryptocurrency up very high. If we see the bullish cross on the MACD, we're going to easily hit, into the overbought markets, but it's going to allow Bitcoin to easily hit 20, 25,000. Who knows, maybe even $27,000 in a coin, which is insane. It's incredible. We discussed yesterday that there's the options in the next 2 years of seeing some pretty crazy all-time highs. And that's pretty much where my head's at, guys. I mean, the markets are getting ready. Today is the day that we've been waiting for. As we haven't seen the big break yet, this is going to signal what is going to happen. So let's wait for the next couple of days. We got to see whether or not today decides to break as we retest all-time highs. This is huge for the market, retesting an all-time high. We've been waiting patiently many days now for this to happen, and it happened today. That's what we want to talk about. It's been 15 days of consolidation, 15 days of just trading, moving up, moving down. We finally come back to retest this over 2 weeks, and today's the day where we decide which direction we're going to be moving to. So definitely make sure to keep your eyes peeled on the price of cryptocurrency. Make sure to have those alerts set. You can set them on Coinbase. You can set them on Coinbase Pro. Make sure to take advantage of that. Otherwise, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Definitely make sure to enter the giveaway as there's literally just 2 weeks left. Make sure to check it out. Link in the description. And lastly, make sure to follow me as we have just broken 22,000. We are doing the 20,000 giveaway, which is incredible. In the past week or two, we've gotten to 22,000. So we're on our way to 30,000, 50,000, eventually 100,000. And we'll have some pretty incredible things to discuss when we do reach those goals. Otherwise, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.